Very good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening. Let's start the session. So from tomorrow, from till yesterday, we have completed till dark cloud pattern. This one. And now let's come to the part of Harami pattern. It is also a part of double candle reversal stick. Okay, but here is one of the change we can see here. This one is a combination of in the triple candlestick pattern. So we can call it as the effects of the triple candlestick. Okay. So basically the third candle is the important here, and the second one candle is not important. The second one candle is can be considered as a gap. The gap can be considered here. Okay. In the second candlestick pattern. So let's see. The candlestick chart pattern in which a large candlestick is followed by a smaller candlestick. Basically, this candle is basically important here. Okay. Whose body is located within the vertical range of a large body. The first large candle is important according to the trend. Okay. And apart from this, the small candle is located, which was actually in a vertical range of the previous candle. Okay. So let's see. We have two types of candles here, a bullish harami and bearish harami. Okay. These two are, and the third candle. Okay. We have the three candle in the bullish harami. So the middle candle, which appears in the center of the bullish and bearish harami, is generally considered as a gap. It can be a gap, it can be a small candle. Okay. So it is not important. The gap is actually not important. What the important factor is the first candle and the small candle, which will appear at the last one. Okay. So in terms of the candlestick color, the bullish harami is a downtrend of a negative black color. Here I'll taken as the downtrend, means this one is a sell candle and this one is a buy candle. Okay. So the negative color black candlestick engulfing a small positive white candlestick. So here we can see what is engulfing basically into whom the long white, here we can consider it as red. Okay, the large red. Okay, and generally these candles must be as marabuzo. Okay, marabuzo is like long candles, the long large candles which are appearing in the market. These are called marabuzos. Okay. So basically a large bearish marabuzo, we can say a large bearish marabuzo have to engulf a small bullish marabuzo, okay, which was at least the half and half of the previous candlestick. Okay, because this one at least the 4 times bigger than this one. Okay, so this one is actually a small candlestick and it will be actually appearing at the at the middle level of the previous candlestick. So that was how the candle is going to appear in the market, and after that appearing you can take the your trade after in the third candle appearing in the market. Okay, so basically these candles, whatever the bullish and bearish harami, whether the candle is towards the buy side or sell side, you have to take your trade at the resistance and at the support level only. Okay. And this is giving a signal of a reversal of the downtrend, like downtrend is now comes to an end and now the uptrend is going to be established in the market. Okay, so let's see for furthermore. This is what the harami pattern look like in the market. Okay, so when the market is in downtrend, okay, I'm talking about the bullish harami pattern now. So when the market is in downtrend, at the support level, means every lower low level these patterns will appear. When these patterns will appear, you can take your trade towards the third candle, and when the trend is going to reverse, at least wait for some time, at least 5 to 10 pips after the appearing of these patterns. You have to look very carefully in the market that what pattern is appearing at which time, and according to that you have to take your trade. Okay, so basically the trend is towards the downside. First one we have, according to the trend continuation, we have the bearish long, bearish Marabuzo candle. Okay, and then after a certain gap up, okay, the gap up is there, you can see at the third level we will return up hit air as a gap up. So the certain gap up is will be occur in the market, you can see, and after that gap up period, okay, after that gap up period, a small bullish candle, means small bullish Marabuzo will going to appear in the market, which will be at least the 4 times smaller than the previous one. This candle must have the 4 times smaller than the previous one, and it should not cross at least its bottom level and should not cross at least its top level also. Okay, it will be as small as it can be, but as a reversal candle. Okay, so till now, are you guys getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after the appearing of this bullish harami pattern, you can take your trade at least after leaving 10 to 5 pips, after 5 to 10 pips. Okay, let the after appearing of this pattern, then also you have to leave at least 5 to 10 pips, okay, in the market, and then afterwards these steps you can take up your trade towards the buy direction. Okay, but have a careful watch that whether the pattern will be a reliable or not, whether which will pattern will occur at the support level. What you will have to see in the market first, one is the trend. Okay, second one is the support, means the lower low and the higher high side. Okay, the third one is the formation. Okay, the third one is the formation. Basically here is the matter most. These two are the factors which actually is going to matter in the market. Okay, and after by taking care of all three measures, you can take up your trade. So what is now a bearish harami? When the when we have the bullish harami in the market, on the another part also we have the bearish one. Okay, so when the market is an uptrend, okay, here one factor, what is important, trend. When the market is an uptrend, okay, first, second, in the second part we have the bullish candlestick. According to the trend, we have long bullish Marabuzo in the candle at the top of the peak, at the top of the market, one bullish candle will appear. Okay, and when the market pattern, when the market is going to reverse, then what will the basic sign? You will have certain gap up in the market, and after that small bearish candle will appear, which was at least the 4 times small than the this one, 4 times smaller than the previous one candle. Okay, so after taking care of all these measures, you can take your trade at least after leaving 5 to 10 pips in the market. This one is called as bearish harami, and this one is called it as bullish harami in the market. Okay, so now let's come to the part of third, means triple candle reversal stick pattern. Okay, now we have the morning star with us, and this was actually affecting, it was actually showing the effect of 3 candles in the market. Okay, triple candle formation we can see here. So basically in the morning star, what we can see, a morning star pattern is a kind of bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, essentially we need a 3 candles to form a morning star. We need a 3 candles to form a morning star. The first bar is a large bear candle. Within defined a downtrend, bears are still in charge. So what is basically we can see here, first the pattern should be in what? The pattern should be in downtrend. Okay, and according to the trend, we can see first the large bear candle within defined downtrend, which is already defining us that the downtrend is still on in the market, and it further can be continued. Why it will continue? Because the bears are still in charge. Okay, and the second bar is can bit tricky because it was actually the formation of 3 candles. So let's come to the part of second candle. Now second bar will be a bit tricky because here from the second candle we can see that the bear's charge will comes to an end and the bull's charge will start putting potential over in the market. So what you will see, it may look like bull hammer with a long break. The second candle may be appearing as a bullish reversal pattern, which we studied in the first of the class, that hammer can be appear, and spinning top, apart from spinning top, which because we have not read it yet. Okay, hammer, maybe it will be a kind of inverted hammer, and the what will be the another kind of doji candle, it will be can be a dragonfly doji. These three candles, and among these three candles, any one candle will appear in the second part of the candle. Okay, and this is the main thing that the bulls are starting to talk, that the bulls are coming in charge and the bulls are ready to form and ready to reverse the market. And now apart from this, the third candle, okay, and the what can be a last confirmation with the third candle will at least give you the higher confirmation in the market, because it will be also be a large bearish, no, sorry, large bullish marabu. So the third bar is a large bull bar. Okay, it will be a large bull bar. The third candle should close at least more than half of the above first candle. Means first, according to the trend, we have the large bearish marabuzo at the first. Okay, and with the end of these trend, by the end of these trend, we can have hammer in the market, or it can be a dragonfly or inverted hammer. Okay, and with these pattern formation, we have the third candle in the pattern, which will be a long bearish marabuzo, which will be at least completing the half of these pattern, the half of these candle, which will at least complete the half of these bearish marabuzo. Okay, which will at least should be more than half of the above first candle, which will be above at least more than half of these candle. Okay, it should be completed till half of the first candle. Okay. And what will be the first candle? It will be a large beer candle. Okay, we need to wait until the third candle closes to see a valid morning star. We have to wait in the market until this third candlestick will complete it in the market. And after the completion of this whole pattern, after the completion of this whole candlestick, this the last candlestick, you can take your trade towards your buy side. It will can be, you can take your trade in any of the chart frame. The valid chart frame is in the hourly chart, 1 hourly, 4 hourly, or daily. Okay, because it will be a kinding of candlestick pattern which will be actually appearing at the basically at the lower low levels and at the higher high peaks of the market. Are you getting my point till here, everyone? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. A
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
confusing, but okay.
Yeah, a little bit of confusing, but according to the as you are going to practice in the market, your all confusions will get cleared. Okay, because these sessions are recorded also. Okay, you can see it on the YouTube channel. Okay, and if further you facing any doubt, then you can consult me. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, on where can you send the link afterwards for YouTube? If you
YouTube,
can,
yeah,
yeah.
sure, I can send you the link. Just a second, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, we will sending you the link within 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So here the morning star is actually look like. I hope that within the help of these diagrams, your half of the doubt is going to be completed, because see, in the market, we have the first, according to the trend, we have the large bearish Marabuzo, okay? And at the bottom, we have the hammer, or we can have these kind of candlesticks, which will be at least the hammer, inverted hammer, or it can be a dragonfly doji, okay? But the third candle, which will be a large bullish Marabuzo, it will be at least completing the half of the first candle, which one is bear candle. These candle is very important, because you have to take your trade after the completion of these whole pattern, okay? And this candle, this bear candle, have to complete the half of this bear candle, okay? And after the completion of this whole pattern, you can take your trade towards the buy side, towards at the starting of this candle, okay? At the starting of this fourth candle, at the third candle, you can take up your trade. I hope now your half of the doubt is completed, that how the morning star will look like in the market. And the YouTube channel link will be providing you, like in please see your chat box. We have already provided you the YouTube channel link. Please subscribe, okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, now let's
Okay,
come to
ma'am.
the part. Yeah, and any doubt? Now let's come to the part of evening star, okay?
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so let's come to the part of evening star. And the evening star is in the another version, is the opposite version of the morning star pattern. Essentially, we need a first the trend. Let's talk about the trend. The trend will be on the upside, because evening star is a selling candle, is a selling reversal candle for us, okay? So firstly, we will have the large large bull candle, which one is a buy candle according to the trend, because the trend is towards the upside, first of all, okay? And with the continuation of these pattern, we will have a first large bull candle, okay, which one is a large bullish Marabuzo in the chart, okay? After the second candle, we can have a bear hammer, like it will can be a hanging man, it will can be a inverted shooting star, it will can be a gravestone doji. At least these three candles must appear in the second formation of the candle, okay? So by the appearing of this candle, we can think that yes, bears are starting to talk, bear are starting charge their charging their movements towards the downward side, that side in the market, okay? And the third bar is a large bear candle. The third candle should be at least close and more than half of down of the first candle, the large bull candle, okay? We need to wait until the third candle closes to see if the valid morning star is or not. So what here we can see that yes, we will have the large bearish candle, okay? Bearish candle, which will be at least completing the half of the buy candle. So let's see in the diagram first. Yeah. Look, the market is in uptrend, okay? First, according to the trend, we have the large bullish candle, okay? Apart from in candle we can be a bullish or bearish, okay? But the formation is much the shapes matlab, like always the same. The second candle can be a bullish or bearish, but according to me, the second candle can be, it will be much better if it will be like a inverted hammer, sorry, it will be like a shooting star or hanging man, or any of the doji, or any of the bearish Marabuzo, okay? Okay, the second, then only we can analyze, yes, the market will be start reversing towards the downside. Okay, then at the confirmation we will have the third candle, which will be at least completing the half of the buy candle. Okay, then after the completion of this whole candle, we can take up your trade towards the sell side in the market. You have to see these formation. You have to only find for these formations at the top, at the bottom of the market. Then only you can find your trade. Let's see further on. One is the last of the candlestick. Okay, the spinning top. A spinning top is just like a Rishaman doji. Okay, the type of candlestick formation where a real body is a small despite a wide range of price movement throughout the trading day. This is a spinning top which appears 100 of times in the daily in the market. Okay, so when this spinning top is going to appear in the market, whether it's going to appear in the uptrend or whether it's going to appear in the downtrend, okay, no worries, you have to wait for the sustainability in the market, because this is a kind of candlestick which will appear in the both side of the market. It will just like a Rishaman doji, it will appear in the uptrend, it will appear in the downtrend also. So you have to wait till 10 to 15 pips again, and after the stability in the market you can take up your trade. Let the market sustain, because it will be providing you kind of false signal and kind of range bound signals to you. Okay, so spinning top is a kind of candle which will appear in the both kind of in the market, and it will be actually a reversal for the both side. So that's why at least I'm suggesting you to wait at least for 10 to 15 minutes in the market, and then after the sustainability you can take up your decisions that whether you want to take the market towards the buy side and whether you want to take the market towards the sell side. This is all for the candlestick pattern. Okay, let's see in the market. This one is the gold pattern. Okay, and the gold one is still rising. Here you can see at the bottom, means the market isn't towards an uptrend, the market is in uptrend but in the downward swings. When the market is taking a swings like this, okay, you can see here at the support level, means at the lower low types, at the support level the market is showing what kind of pattern it is. A pattern is just like, let me make the chart little bit bigger one. It is a pattern is just like what? It is a pattern is just like a piercing one pattern, because look, it will completing the market till half, and it will be moving towards the upside in the market. Here you can see hammer. The market is moving towards the upside. It was a dark cloud pattern. Market is moving towards the downside. It will be kind of be a engulfing pattern, also bearish engulfing. Market is moving towards the downside. It will be also be a kind of engulfing pattern. Market is moving towards the downside. It will be a bullish engulfing. Market will be moving towards the upside. Okay, so according to this, you can see in the market, it will be a Euro USD. Euro USD, you can see in the market right now. Look. Here is appearing a kind of you can see hanging man, and the market is falling, and it will be actually appearing at the resistance level. Look at the resistance level in the, because the market continuously retouching these highs. So this will be considered as a resistance level. From this the market is falling, from again this the market is falling, market will falling. So this will be actually considered as a resistance level in the market, and after appearing these hanging man, the market is falling in the Euro USD pattern. Let's see the AU USD part. These are the kind of major pairs which have the more volume in the market, and these are the mostly traded pattern in the market. Look here, also we can see a kind of engulfing pattern at the top, and the Euro USD is a bit falling right now. Look, You can see the pressure in the market, the selling pressure after appearing the engulfing pattern, bearish engulfing. The market is falling in the Euro USD. Let's see the CAD JPY. Expected to rise, JPY pattern. A kind of rickshaw man doji is appearing, and look, we have to avoid little bit in the market. So these how you have generally, you have to take the trade in the market basically. Okay, let the whole pattern will complete, and then afterwards, after the completion of a certain pattern, you can take up your trade. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all for today. Okay, rest we will complete today because tomorrow onwards we will starting the indicator part and another topic. Okay, this is all for the candlestick one. Okay, because candlestick is very basic and you have to remember or at least learn the strategies, at least learn the names of the candles so that you can take the your trade, because candlestick is very important for any of your trade. Okay, so bye, and I'm stop sharing right now the slides. So take care. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, anytime.
Thank you, ma'am.